second point is decide whether you want drought to end or not.
Ka poin ka baar ka dei fikwa ne em ka nem sniu ka sange no ne em.
As I said, examine and decide.
Kung mga laong to yet baturay.
First we have to examine ourselves.
Nung kong ihaban yet.
And now we have to decide
Mentagi haban rai.
whether do I want to stay in the drought condition or I want to walk out.
Ban rai la nga kwa ibang siyong sa ba ka nem sniu ne nga kwa ban mi no nang ta.
Your breakthrough depends upon your decision.
Kata ka ting palay lut ka jong pi ka siyong ha ka rai ka jong pi.
Your decision will change your destiny.
Ka rai ka jong pi kan pynkylla ka laway ka jong pi.
Bible says in 1 King chapter 18 verse 21.
Ka tin ka jong play ka no way si im nong ka bakat prada
Elijah said to the people, how long will you waver between two opinions? Either follow the living God or follow Baal.
Long bapiki ba bod yo blay ba em lane pi bod yo Baal.
You know Baal is a Sidonian god of fertility.
Fitep u Baal u deu tau blay jong kita ki jat ben rio ki ba mane nakabanta ban long ki rio ki ba saiso.
And also the Lord of rain cloud.
But kum joro deu blay jong ba wanra yo tau slap.
So people were deceived by the name of Baal. So
people
thought we are into problem, but this name says he is the Lord of rain cloud. So they started following Baal. Many times this situation comes in our lives. When you feel you are too long in that very problem, sometimes you run here and there to fix it. You run to the witch doctor that he may fix your problem. But you do not know. Your ways are leading you to destruction. Tonight you have to decide between the living God and the things that you have been following thus far. When we walk in sin, we become devastated and we become broken. We become dry and we become barren. What we need tonight, if you feel dryness in your life, we need heaven's rain in our life tonight. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Elijah saw the need of the nation. And he came to know what my nation need, the abundance of heaven's rain. My nation needs the life-giving rain. Tonight there are many seated here. What we need is the life-giving rain.